Skustack lets you use your phone to scan just like you would use a scanner. No need to rely on expensive scanners. Your team can now use a phone camera to scan items and bins around the warehouse. And what's more, you are able to cut unnecessary equipment costs and simplify the employee onboarding process. Here's how it works. Go to Product Info and tap the search icon. Instead of scanning the item directly, tap the barcode icon and scan the barcode with your phone camera. Skustack will quickly fetch the product for you. Another way to use the scan from camera function is for scanning bins. Simply go to the bin menu, and tap the search icon. Tap the barcode icon once again and scan the bin barcode with your phone. This will fetch your full bin inventory and allow you to make adjustments on a bin or product level.